AZDOME M550 dash cam install.
Or AZDOME dash cam. It's a 3-channel dash cam. Of course, the front, the cabin, and the rear. There's everything that comes with it. I didn't get the hardwire kit, just the regular C-RAM port. Here's the dash cam, rear camera. All right, let's get started. I start off by cleaning the windshield, somewhere around this area. And this cam comes with pads you can put on the window. This right here. And that's so you can remove it easily. And so there's a better surface for this thing to stick to. Seems like a good spot. So try that out. Peel this off. There we go. Yeah, that's not too bad right there. Don't block the view too bad. Nice and centered. All right, there we go. Now this part of it, like a temporary install in this vehicle, I'm just gonna have this chilling here at the side. So this plugs into the base up here. The cool thing about the dash cam, it has like a docking station. Literally, you could just come right off like that. So if you ever need to take it off, it comes off super quick, super easy. When you put it back, you just slap it right back on. It's magnetic. It's a good connection. It's all good to go. Pop it in the headliner. Just using this tool. Tuck that wire in. There we go. That part of the dash cam is done. Just gotta work on the rear. There's a little sticky pad. I'm gonna mount it in the glass. All right. Like that. There. There we go. All right. It's a good spot. Then we tuck all this wiring around it, figure out how much length we need. It has to go all the way across on the other side. Right here. There we go. Stick it into the headliner. Get it started. There it is. Ah, sick. Here's the setup menu. All right, there it is installed. As you can see, my face right there. Back camera, front camera. Yeah, there it is, super easy. I'll be doing a review on it soon. Thank you again, AZDOME or AZDOME.